outstanding design defines the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.